If you're new to building an online store, deciding between Shopify and Wix can feel confusing. Both platforms are popular, but which one is better for beginners? Let's break it down. Wix is great if you want simple website building with a drag and drop editor. That's super intuitive. You can create a beautiful website with tons of design flexibility without needing any coding skills. It's perfect if you want to sell a few products and focus more on showcasing your brand or services. Wix also offers some e-commerce features, but it's really designed as a general website builder first. Shopify, on the other hand, is built specifically for e-commerce. That means all its features, from product management and payments to shipping and marketing, are designed to help you sell products online at scale. Shopify may have a bit of a learning curve at first, but it's more powerful once you get the hang of it. Plus, it offers a lot of apps and integrations to grow your store as your business expands. So, if you want the easiest way to build a stylish site quickly and sell a few products, Wix is beginner friendly and flexible. But if your main goal is to build a serious online store with strong sales potential, Shopify's specialized tools make it the better choice for long-term growth. If you found this helpful, like and follow for more platform comparisons and tips on starting your online business. Drop a comment telling me which platform you're leaning towards. Now I help you make the right choice.